Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. I wanted to show you guys what I've been working on. I'm in the middle of trying to decorate our living room. I'm trying to do it in a glam way. So I'll show you guys what I've done so far. So we'll start from this corner. So right here I have the my favorite Dollar Tree candles, and they're sitting on a pedestal stand. I think it's like a plant stand actually. That was picked up from Target, so we have that on there. The actual glittery candlestick came from Home Goods, which is one of my favorite stores. Let's see what else. We have the love seat. It has like all the diamond stones on it, and this came from I believe Wayfair. Yes, and it came with the matching pillows. And then the sofa is, I love it. Only thing is when it first came, it was kind of stiff, but now that it's gotten a little older, it's gotten a little bit more softer. We also got the matching ottoman, and I love these pieces because the legs on the furniture pieces are clear. So to me, that adds to the whole glam feel of the room. We'll move right on over to, let's see, this table right here. The one vase with the flowers in it, I actually made that. So I just took some bling wrap, wrapped it around one of the cylinder jars from Dollar Tree, and then glued that to the glued that to a candlestick holder, and just put it on a dollar store mirror. Same thing for the candle over here. I took some bling wrap and just wrapped it around the candle, and took another candlestick holder and put some bling around that. And of course, there's my Dollar Tree flowers. And here's my blingy lamp. I love it. I do have to say, this lamp is not the sturdiest. Yeah, so it's in the corner. I originally had it over in the other corner with the candlestick, but we had to put it in the corner and actually put it on top of a piece of wood to actually get it to stay flat, because we have carpet and it just doesn't sit very well. And let's go. So here is the sofa. And then we have the bling mirrors. And with the mirrors, these actually came from Home Goods. So I love these mirrors. Moving along, we have the 3 candlesticks, and of course my Dollar Tree candles. And then I just took 3 flowers from the bunches of the Dollar Tree flowers and just added them onto each candle holder, just to give it just a different look and add some color. Since the room is all white, kind of wanted to give the room just a tad bit of color. Not too much, but just a little bit. And then, let's see, lastly, we have the other chair. So, as you can tell, it's glam. I still have a couple more things I want to do. The curtains actually came from my grandmother. I think she got these from JCPenney's. So that was part of my housewarming gift. So I love them. I love the fact that, I have something in here that she gave us. And that is it for now. So I don't want to add too much. I don't want to kind of clutter the room up that much. Only thing I might do is maybe add like a piece of art right here in the middle. And I'm thinking about replacing the pedestal with the candles to left, and maybe adding like a big vase, a big white vase. I'm having a hard time finding one that I really like. So if any of you guys have any suggestions on where I can find one, that would be wonderful. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.